Negativity. It's like a virus. It spreads quietly, creeping into our thoughts, our homes, our jobs, and our relationships. In America today, millions wake up already feeling defeated before the day even begins. They scroll through their phones, seeing a world filled with criticism, hate, and comparison. And that poison seeps in. Negativity has become the background noise of our lives. But here's the harsh truth. Negativity doesn't just make you feel bad. It destroys you from the inside out. It kills confidence. It drains energy. It turns motivation into fear. It whispers, "You're not good enough. You'll never make it." And when you start believing that lie, your entire world begins to fall apart. Scientists have proven that constant negative thinking rewires the brain, making you more anxious, more hopeless, and more likely to give up. Every time you feed those dark thoughts, they grow stronger, and soon, they take control. The more you think negatively, the more negative your reality becomes. It's a vicious loop that traps countless people every day. Across the U.S., mental health experts warn that millions silently battle this darkness. Some lose their drive to live fully, trapped by the weight of their own thoughts. Negativity tells them there's no escape, that life has no meaning, that nobody cares. And when people start to believe that, they stop seeing a future worth fighting for. Every year, heartbreaking stories remind us that unchecked negativity can lead to devastating outcomes. Not because people are weak, but because they feel alone and overwhelmed. Even celebrities and public figures who seem to have it all aren't immune. We've seen famous actors, musicians, and creators crumble under the pressure of constant negativity, online hate, public judgment, self-doubt. It proves one thing. No amount of fame, money, or success can protect you from your own thoughts. Negativity doesn't discriminate. It attacks everyone: students, parents, workers, dreamers. But here's what most people forget. Negativity only wins if you let it. Every time you choose hope over fear, gratitude over bitterness, and faith over doubt, you weaken negativity's grip. Positivity isn't about pretending everything is fine. It's about choosing not to let your struggles define you. It's about saying, "Yes, I'm hurting, but I'm still here. I still matter." Start small. Talk to someone you trust. Write down what you're thankful for. Limit the negativity you consume online. Focus on progress, not perfection. Because once you start training your mind to notice the good, your entire life begins to shift. Negativity can destroy a person's life, but positivity can rebuild it stronger. You are not your dark thoughts. You are the light fighting through them. And if you ever feel lost, please reach out, talk, get help. You're not alone. There's always a way forward, because one spark of hope can outshine 1,000 shadows. This is Siam, and you're watching Science Media. If this message touched you, share it, because someone out there needs to hear it today.